Hi all! Today we are celebrating. Today we are announcing the release of our public AlphaOne network. This milestone delivers Tagions to the hand of developers and next generation economic visionaries. Together we can optimize our decentralized platform that enables nearly instantaneous money transfers in any currency from anyone anywhere to everybody everywhere. For individuals and companies looking to send or receive money in full privacy, immediately and cheaply, Tagion offers a network that makes use of tomorrow's distributed network fintech technology, without the speculation or currency ties of today's coin-enabled services. Tagion is firmly rooted in open source development, giving everybody the opportunity to become a part of the monetary revolution. A big thanks to everyone who has contributed with time, ideas and good vibes. Tagion has been self-funded initiative by the Danish firm I25S APS, with further funding from private SAFT agreements, but without any ICO or VC funding. We are proud to launch the Alpha Test Network. The Tagion community has been looking forward to getting their hands on a working model and seeing in particular how our high throughput, network capacity and virtual engine perform. The AlphaOne network will be used mainly to test and optimize. Proof of community by developing a platform to fine-tune the node selection algorithm to test the governance. The stability and capacity of the network to test the technical capacity. The distributed network discovery protocol, similar to DNS but distributed. Network APIs so we can send transactions to the network. The stateless smart contract virtual engine. The sub-hyper Dart network and the initial DEX development, which enable us to do decentralized exchanges. The project has presented a bounty hunt for developers and others who wish to test and improve the network. Keep an eye out for more information on the bounty hunt in the Tagion forum. This was all for me now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned on all of our channels. This is the most significant release from Tagion to date, but there will be much more to follow.